Kwia Bio Tech products, or KWBT is a ticker symbol, is another penny stock that I'm investing in that trades on the OTC market. So KWBT is trading at 4.5 cents, so it's a really cheap penny stock. I believe its current market cap is just under $13 million. So for full disclosure, I currently hold 4,648 shares. I invested just over £100, I think about £100, £102, and you can see my return is already up 48%. And now this is quite incredible because this stock hasn't necessarily had any massive catalyst. It's had no new news, nothing spectacular has come out. I just want to point out as well, I actually bought it a few weeks back. So when I actually bought it along here, it actually doubled in price. I had over 100% gains in this company, but I didn't sell. And that's a few reasons, because I think this has a lot of potential. So I'm going to break down what the company is and why I think it can increase drastically in value. But first of all, before I jump into the video, I just want to make sure that you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a video to explain my thought process of why I'm investing into this company. And secondly, I just want to ask, if you're new here and enjoy the video, hit the subscribe button and also leave a like on the video. So what is KWBT? So KWBT is a Chinese company that focuses on biotechnical agriculture. So to break it down in their own words, they initiate cutting-edge biological technology as the foundation and eco-friendly agriculture as the theme. So their mission is healthy farmland. They strive to contribute to China's vision for safe agriculture, safe food and a healthy lifestyle. So their goal is to become the leader in an eco-friendly agricultural industry chain. And so they specialize in developing and producing environmentally friendly biological fertilizer products. So this can improve yield, make sure there's no harmful chemicals in people's food. So it makes food production more productive and more efficient, and it also maintains that kind of healthy lifestyle and doesn't contaminate it with loads of chemicals that people don't want in their foods. Now, breaking that down into a bit more detail, you can see here their mission and responsibility. It's kind of backing up the company. Again, it's just talking about how it's a very green company. They're focused on the environment and a healthy lifestyle. And the key point here is the need for safe food. Now, the reason why I think this is quite important in a Chinese company is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Not only has this made people more health conscious regardless, it actually comes from eating unsafe food, contaminated food that caused a virus, or supposedly that's what supposedly happened. So this kind of need for more organic and safe and healthy food, I believe, is going to be uptrending, especially in China and around the world anyway, quite drastically due to this COVID pandemic. So KWBT have actually, this is actually 2019, so they won a bid. And it just goes, this comment here has really kind of stood out to me. So it says, the successful bid showed the outstanding achievements of the application of their microbial technology. So out of all the different companies they're competing with for this new advancement in agriculture and fertilizer, this kind of technology, they was actually voted the best, and that's hence why they won this bid from the government, so they can actually work in this new agricultural park planning project. That kind of shows the foundation they have. They've got a really good product, evident by this winning bid. They have a future-proof, in my opinion, company and business model with products that will grow with the changing trends for consumers. And they also have quite strong financials. So this is their breakdown on Yahoo Finance. So I just want to start off, so you can see their revenues here. So in 2017, they earned 17.27 million. In 2018, that went up to 30 million. And in 2019, that went up to 40 million. So you can see that's quite a drastic increase. And so in the last 2 years, well, obviously this is old data, 2019, but from 2017 to 2019, in 2 years, they more than doubled their revenue. And of course, this is reflected in their gross profits. That's also increasing. And it just shows that this company is becoming more and more profitable, which is obviously, for a penny stock, is very good. And like I said at the beginning of the conversation as well, they have a really small market cap. So their current market cap is only 12.3 million, which in a growing industry like this is absolutely minuscule. So that shows it has a lot of room to grow as well. These kind of articles outline how China's growing in sustainability and eco-friendly trends. So it talks about reducing plastics, more sustainable manufacturing, and then also goes on to go about how like the conscious consumer rate among Chinese millennials and Generation Zs. Again, this is kind of my age group, 25, 30-year-olds who are looking to start going out in the world and buying their own foods and other goods and products. But they're more conscious, they want it to be sustainable and eco-friendly, and they also focus on a healthy lifestyle for the reasons I mentioned earlier in the video. Here's another article saying the same kind of thing, talking about as an emerging leader in sustainable and organic agriculture. And now this is quite unique to KWBT as well, because as I mentioned at the beginning in their mission statement, they talk about going and expanding internationally. So as China as a whole is kind of taking lead in this area in sustainable agriculture, KWBT winning bids and having excellent products means they are ahead of the competition and have a good standing to expand globally and internationally in the future. So from this, I hope you can see or understand why I've invested in this company, because it's got quite a strong foundation. However, there is no catalyst, so I'm not expecting this to be a short-term flip or make any money in the short term. This is a longer gamble for me in a penny stock. Normally I look for companies that have short-term catalysts. For example, HCMC has that pending lawsuit, KWBT has the ongoing acquisition of PKG. But this, I just actually quite like the company. It's quite nice to have a upcoming company that is very green and forward focused, and it has, in my opinion, a lot of potential. Not only this, I know, again, I go back to StockTwits, it's gaining a bit of traction here. It's gained quite a few followers in the last few days and weeks, which is always nice to see. You want your stock to have more attention, for more people to buy it. And even if that price is artificial, just from people buying it from hype, it can still set up a strong foundation and set up a good resistance level if people believe in the company when they read more into it. And with that being said, since the company does have a strong foundation, I have confidence in buying this, believing that it will continue to increase its revenues and profits, hence creating shareholder wealth and the share price increasing. But it also means I will have the holding for when a catalyst eventually does come, when they do get massive press, when they do get either acquire a new company or get acquired by a bigger company and become more profitable. It means I'm already holding at a very cheap price, and I essentially buy it right at the bottom of the market and benefit from all the increase in any catalysts to come in the future. So that kind of sums up my investment in Kwia Bio Tech products, ticker symbol KWBT. Let me know what you think of the company and whether you'll be investing or not. I'll be really interested to hear. And again, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a like, and check out some other videos, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.